What's up, you Generation here with another awesome video. In this video I'm gonna be installing the Gurney Flaps from Subispeed on my 2016 Subaru WRX. As you can see, I already got the quick already cut and put it in there. So I just need to clean the spoiler with the alcohol that they give you, and then put the cream adhesion promoter, so make sure it doesn't flew away. But yeah, it's pretty easy. Just cut the lines, then cut it so you can have the line over here in the middle, and then it's where you're gonna put the Gurney flap. Okay, so I already cleaned the spoiler with the alcohol, so yeah, it's time to put the adhesive, and then it should be something like this. Right. Yeah, something like that is gonna be, guys. Alright, so let's put the cream adhesion promoter, and then put the Gurney flap. So that's like a sponge, and then just put it all over, just like that. You don't have to squeeze it or anything, just all the way around. Alright. Just to make sure that it doesn't gonna flew off. Right. Once that is done, let's take out the red tape over here. And now it's time to install it. I don't have the glycol with me, guys, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna skip from here once it's already installed. So. Alright, so it's already installed. Once you put the spoiler, you have to press it firmly for like 30 seconds. So I start like 30 seconds here, and then I went here 30 seconds to make sure that it doesn't come out. So just press firmly for 30 seconds when you install it. But look how that looks, guys. Oh my god. Easiest install of all time. Yo, it looks so good with the voltage generator on top. And what? Look at that. That looks insane. Wow. Look how it looks from here. Yo, I love it, guys. That's crazy. See from the other side. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it from the inside though. Look at that, guys. Super easy install. I love the way it looks. I went with that one because this one is the one that you just glue it in. I don't want to make holes on the car yet, so sorry guys. So I just changed to my phone. Sorry if you can hear the wind because my GoPro says it's full now, the memory. I don't know why, but yeah, I was saying that I went with this one because you don't have to make any holes on the spoiler. So if in the future I want to take it off, I just take it off and clean the glue, and that's it. But yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Oh my god, that looks so much better. So much better. Wow, I love it, guys. I freaking love it. Like, look at that, how it looks. Damn. Okay. So there you have it, guys, the easy install of 4 times, the Gurney Flap from Subispeed. I really recommend it. It feels really strong, so I don't think it's gonna fly off. I tried to move it with my hands and it's not going nowhere.
12 seconds later.
I came inside the car because it's freezing cold outside and my hands hurts right now. So guys, I know it's been like 2 weeks that I didn't post a video, but it's because of the weather. It's really hard for me to make a video on this freezing cold weather. My garage doesn't have a heat. Bro, you don't have a garage? That's not the point. So yeah, it's hard for me to make videos on the cold weather. So I'm thinking about doing like interior mods of the car, because that way I can have the heat of the car on. So that way I can keep making videos for you guys. So I apologize for the 2 weeks, but I'm gonna do my best to make like interior mods or something interior, so I can, I don't have to freeze myself. But yeah, there you have it. That's the Gurney Flap from Subispeed. I'm gonna have a link in the description down below. As always, thanks for watching, guys. And if you haven't done it already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Ooh.